Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sound and change your audio settings within the Ramboat 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ramboat 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels to gain access to the main menu. Now, from the main menu, you can tap on the settings option or the gear icon to find your audio settings, and you can uncheck the sound box from there. If you are mid-game, then simply tap on the pause button at the top right corner and you will now see the music and sound effects checkbox. You can uncheck whatever you don't wish to hear and it will be disabled within your game right away. Then tap on resume, and now you can enjoy your game with your newly chosen audio settings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the audio settings and turn off sounds within the Ramboat 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.